welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm posting a video with my friend Jayvon, and he's posting a YouTube video. Go check out my channel, and he's checking out my channel. That's my beat case.
No.
Yeah,
No.
these are my beats.
No, those are mine.
These are mine.
No. Oh, can I have it?
No.
Can I have it?
No. No. Fine, you can have that, but not this. No. So yeah, guys, I have to show you something really cool.
Is this a toenail?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to show you something really cool.
Get out of here.
Hold on, I have to show my vlog something. Bam. Yeah, that's a pop socket, boy.
What's a pop socket?
So yeah, guys, he doesn't know what a pop socket is.
I
No, you don't.
do. Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Yeah,
No, you don't.
Well, y'all about to see my reaction to this thing.
Yeah, I'm balling.
I
Yeah.
should have worn my calories.
Hey, we could be Kyrie. We should have been Kyrie brothers today.
I forgot to wear them. Wear them to school tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna be
Wait,
sour.
tomorrow's Monday. Oh yeah.
I'm getting my braces Tuesday.
Oh, he's getting braces. He's gonna look ugly.
Boy, I don't need girlfriends for no reason. All right, you gotta buy some of my reaction.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. He hit his head with this, I guess. Too sour for you? That's way too sour for you.
Ooh, it has too much sugar. My tongue feels weird now.
Yeah, because it's probably because you ate too much sour. Bro, what are you? Okay, guys, so while he deals with that, let's just see how fast this could go. Okay, guys, so yeah. I got my drink. You know what? Make this. Oh!
Hey, what are you doing?
Making bottle flips. I'm doing a YouTube video. We're killing it. No, don't fly that in here. We could go do that outside if you want.
Let's go.
Are you serious?
Serious.
Okay, let's go. Guys, we're about to fly our drone, so yeah, let's go.
Where are you going?
Flying a drone.
Oh, it's all rainy out there.
No,
What?
it isn't. It's just wet.
Where are you going?
Outside.
You asked your mom?
Oh, wait, hold on. Hold up. Yeah, guys, we might go outside or might not. So, yeah. Can we go outside?
It's raining.
Oh, come on. Jayvon, she said we can't go outside because it's raining. Like, isn't that stupid? Dude, don't kill my shoes. You're about to kill my shoes.
I already did. I cut them off. I'm hungry.
Dude, are you serious? Here.
I'm just playing.
Here, guys. I'm going to show you.
Some candy. He has a bunch of candy.